Hi everyone, this is Heather. Thank you so much for joining me. Today I'm back with another quick and easy holiday card, and today I'm going to be making a card that only uses dies. There's no stamping involved. I'm going to be using the Winter Woods overlay die and the gallery frame die from Hello Bluebird. Two of the main card stocks that I'm using for the trees and for the base of my card are from a 12x12 pack of paper from Momenta. I can't really get the whole stack in here, but it has a bit of a linen texture to it, and it also has kind of a whitewash distressed look, so it adds just some really great color pattern and texture without you having to do anything. So I've got a top fold card, just standard size, and that is out of kind of a dark teal blue, and then out of the gray I've gone ahead and cut out the trees. From 110 pound weight white cardstock, I'm going to die cut the snowman from the Winter Woods overlay and the Hello die from the gallery frame #1 dies. I have some little scraps here that I'm also going to be using to die cut. I'm going to die cut the hat out of black, and I'm just taping everything in place with washi tape. I'm going to tape the little arms out of some brown that's also from that Momenta pack, so it has a little bit of texture to it. The nose and the eyes are together, so I'm just going to cut that from a little piece of orange. And from another piece of the gray, just like for the trees, I'm going to cut out the scarf. And then I'm also going to cut out the hat a second time just for the band. So here are all my pieces that are die cut. The pieces for the snowman are very tiny, so you do want to be super careful when you're die cutting that you don't lose any of the little pieces. For now, I'm going to set the Hello off to the side, and I'm going to grab another scrap piece of paper and the snowman, and I hope you can see on camera that it embosses just a little bit of a guideline to sort of show you where all the pieces and parts go. The die cuts do have eyes and buttons. They are so teeny tiny that it was just a little bit difficult for me to fiddle with them, so I kind of thought I'll just draw them in. So I'm just going to follow the little guidelines with a black marker, and I'm just going to fill in the eyes and the buttons. For me, this was just a lot easier. When I was looking at the Hello Bluebird blog, I saw one of their designers, Leanne West, and how she had colored her snowman, and I really liked that she used a really pretty teal color and just sort of outlined the edges of her snowman with a teal marker. I'm using the dark green turquoise blend of a tri-blend marker from Spectrum Noir, and I'm just going to go around the edge of my die cut snowman and add that really pretty teal color. To apply my die cuts, I'm using a Zig 2-way glue pen. I've applied some glue onto his little arm, and I'm going to take the little brown piece that I die cut and apply that over top. I'm going to do the same with the scarf. I'm just going to place some glue down, and there are two pieces for the scarf. So it's just kind of like a little bit of a puzzle. Just going to apply some glue and just overlay those pieces that you've die cut. Place down the neck of the scarf. Sorry, my hands are in the way. I'm going to apply some more glue over top of that arm, so I wanted his arm to be in front of the scarf. Place the other little arm in place. And if you wanted to use tweezers or a little pick tool to pick those up, you could certainly do that. I'm going to apply some glue to his hat, and I've cut it out in two colors. So I've got the black for the very top of the hat and the brim. And then right in the center, I have the gray for the band. I'm going to add a little bit of glue for the nose, and I'm going to place that little orange nose in place. So here he is with all his little pieces and parts, and I still had a little bit of black kind of showing around the brim. So I just went back in with my black marker and just kind of filled that in a little bit. I also like the way that Leanne had used a white gel pen to add some shine marks. So I've added some to the hat and his arms and scarf. I've seen a couple people too that have drawn little patterns on the scarf with their white gel pen. I thought that was a really cute idea. And some cheeks. I'm just using the dark end of a pale pink blend tri-blend marker from Spectrum Noir, and I'm going to add some little dots onto the cheeks. And here's our little snowman all colored in. I pulled my piece of scratch paper back over, and I'm applying glue pen all over the back of my trees. I'm going to make sure you got a nice coverage of glue. And now I'm going to center this on the front of my card. Just kind of lining up all those edges. And press down really well. I'm applying glue to the back of my snowman. And I'm going to lift up that little kind of hill on the bottom of the die and place him in my scene. Use the same glue pen to apply glue to the back of my words. I'm going to place this so that it sort of overlaps the trees a little bit. And press that down really well. To finish off my scene, I'm going to go back to my white gel pen and just draw some little circles all over just to give it the nice look of falling snow. And I really love how this white gel pen pops on this dark teal background. And here is our finished card. I think this is a really quick and easy card. You could sit down and make a whole bunch of them for the holidays. No stamping involved, just some die cutting. And I really like this little snowman. He's so cute and he's fun to paper piece. There's a lot of different things you could do. Give him different colored scarves and set him in lots of different scenes. And I think this tree background is going to be very versatile. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Be sure to check out my channel and subscribe. And I hope you have a wonderful winter. See you next time. Bye.